Hi students, before going to solve the problems once again, just one small look we can take what we studied in the previous class. 6 ratios we identified in the last class. So once again, we can recall it. Very useful to find the solutions for the next exercise. Sin theta, once again theta represents the acute angle. Okay, theta represents the acute angle. Sine ratio, sine angle or sine theta is nothing but the opposite side by hypotenuse. This is your opposite side and this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse easily you can identify opposite to 90 degree, opposite to theta or opposite to which acute angle you are going to choose, that will become opposite side, and the 90 degree and acute angle joint side is there, no, that is the adjacent side. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse, that is what AB by AC. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent, AB by BC. Rest 3 easily we can write by taking the reciprocal of this one, because sine reciprocal to cosecant. So therefore cosecant theta is equal to AC by AB or hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Secant and cos are reciprocals. That is nothing but AC by BC, nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan and cot are reciprocals. That is nothing but BC by AB, nothing but what? Adjacent by opposite. So this is what the 6 ratio in the last class we studied. So now with respect to this, now we are going to solve some problems. Students, no need to write this again, because once you have written, just you read and recall. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, tan means opposite by adjacent, cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite side, secant means hypotenuse by adjacent, cot means adjacent by opposites. Like this thoroughly but if you are going to recall the ratios, problem solving is very easy. Now let us see how. In triangle we see right, this is read as right angle at B. So whenever the questions are given in trigonometry, go with one right angle triangle. Draw one simple right angle triangle. So right angle at B. So therefore options are having. You can write A here or here, no problem. Okay. ABC can write or ABC can write, no problem. However, angle B should be 90. AB is 24. BC is 7. Right? In centimeters they have given. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. What we need to find? First one, we need to find sin A, comma cos A. Both we need to find. Sin. What is sin? Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side we are having with respect to A, right? With respect to A. So this is very important. Where from which angle, which acute angle we have to consider A. So with respect to acute angle A, this is opposite side, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse they have not given. First what we have to do? First we need to find hypotenuse, because it is a rectangle triangle. Many times you apply Pythagoras relation. Yeah, right. So by using Pythagoras relation, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This relation already you know. How much AB? 24. 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square, whether you know it? 7 square I know. So 24 square is 24 into 24. 576. 576 plus 49. 625. 625 is AC square. So therefore, AC is equal to root of 625. What is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 25. Right? 25 square is 625. So first you have to find out hypotenuse. Afterwards, substitute. Sin A. Sin A means opposite. That is what BC. I am finding sin A. BC by AC. What is BC? BC is 7 divided by AC. Just now we calculated 25. Then cos A. Cos A we need to find. What is cos A? Cos A with respect to A, adjacent by hypotenuse. That is what? AB by AC. So that is equal to what? 24 by 25. So see how easy these ratios, if you know, easily we can find. That's it. So next, sin C. You want sin C. What is sin C? Sin C with respect to C. Don't go like this only. Once again you will get the same. That's why which acute angle you have to consider. Give importance to acute angle. With respect to C now. This is your C. With respect to C, this is the opposite angle. Hypotenuse doesn't change. This one, if you consider acute angle, then this becomes opposite. This one is the acute, if you consider, then this will become opposite side. So these will keep on reversing the chart. So therefore, sin C with respect to C, this is your opposite side. That is what? AB divided by sin of ratio AC. Hypotenuse. AB is 24 divided by 25. In the same way, one more cos C. With respect to cos C, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. This is your C. So this is adjacent. That is what? BC. BC by AC. What is BC? 7 by 25. So like this, easily we can find. Come to second one. In figure already they have given. We need to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P with respect to acute angle P. Then cot angle with respect to acute angle R. Yeah? So tan means what? Tan means opposite by adjacent. See here I have written. Tan means opposite by adjacent. So why sir only for 3 you have written these 3 why you didn't write? Because these 3 are easy. The reciprocals if you take you are going to get sin reciprocal cosecant, cos reciprocal secant, tan reciprocal cot. That's why I have not written these 3. So these 3 you have to give more importance. That's all. Okay. Tan means opposite by adjacent. With respect to what? With respect to P. See, this is P, right? With respect to P, this is your opposite side and this is adjacent side, right? So therefore, this side they have not given, means you need to find first, right? We once again, right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras relation regularly we have to use. PR square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. QR square plus PQ square. PR is how much? 13. 13 square is equal to QR square where you don't know right now. It is PQ. PQ is 12 square. What is 13 square? 13 square is 169 is equal to QR square plus 12 square is 144. 12 square means 12 into 12. 13 square is 13 into 13. 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. 169 minus 144? 25. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. This is equal to QR square. or QR is equal to QR. One side if you remove square, the other side will get its square root, 25. So QR value how much? 5. So first you need to find this. Afterwards, once you know all the three sides, any ratio easily you can find. So therefore, tan P minus cot R. Together we can find. What is tan with respect to P? With respect to P, this is opposite side. With respect to P, this is opposite side. And this is adjacent side. QR by PQ minus cot with respect to R. That is very important. Cot we need to find with respect to R. See, with respect to R, this is your angle, acute angle R. Cot means adjacent by opposite side. When you come to R, so this is your adjacent. This becomes opposite. Okay? So that is what? QR by PQ. This is equal to QR means 5 by PQ. PQ is 12 minus, once again QR is 5 divided by 12 plus 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 cancels. Your answer is 0. So very simple. First, give importance to find the third side by applying Pythagoras relation. Afterwards, give importance to the acute angle. Which acute angle we have to go with. Related to that, opposite and adjacent keep on changing. Hypotenuse never changes. It remains there only. Only these two will changes. If you go with this one as acute, so then this will become opposite. If you take this one opposite acute angle, so then this will become opposite. So these two changes regularly. Hypotenuse never changes. Come to third problem. Sin A they have given. We need to find cos A and tan A. So already I told, first to go with one right angle triangle. So then easily you can understand what they have given and what we need to find. So yes, I have written it right angle triangle. Then sin A with respect to A, so that clearly indicates what? A is an acute angle. Either you can place A here or here, no problem. Right? A, B, C. I mentioned A, B, C. With respect to A, sin angle is how much? Sin angle is 3 by 4. So slowly I am going to give the information. You also steadily take, right? With respect to A. So A I mark. So that means you have to consider A is the acute angle that you are going to consider. C also acute angle. Okay, don't confuse that. So you are going with acute angle A. With respect to acute angle A, sin ratio is 3 by 4. That is what they have given. Sin ratio is 3 by 4. What is sin? Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. With respect to what? With respect to acute angle A. Right? They have given sin 3 by 4. Okay? Clear? With respect to acute angle A, sin ratio is 3 by 4. Sin is what? Sin is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. What they have given, just to substitute to your picture. Sin ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. They have given us 3 by 4. Means opposite to acute angle A is 3 and the hypotenuse is 4. Just put into your picture. So then, what next step? That already you know that we need to find the remaining side. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse square ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಸಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ರೈಟ್, BC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 16 is equal to AB square plus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square. AB square is equal to 16 minus 9, that is 7. Therefore, AB is equal to root 7. I remove square here, RHS gets square root. AB square is equal to 7, AB is equal to root 7. So, AB value is that. So, now find what we need to find cos A. So, therefore, cos A with respect to A. With respect to A, what is cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB by AC. What is AB? Root 7 by 4. And one more what we want? Tan A. Tan A with respect to A itself. Tan means opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? BC by adjacent AB or BA. What is BC? 3 divided by root 7. So, like this, easily we can find. Only what we are doing? We are applying Pythagoras relation and we are finding the one unknown side. Afterwards, which ratio we need with respect to which acute angle by using these ratios, we are right. That's all. Students, come to next problem, very similar to the previous one. Once again, what we have to do whenever this type of questions given, always go with one right angle triangle. Don't forget. Yes, one right angle triangle. I finished. Cot A 15. You leave this. 15 cot A. So leave this. A is there now. So then A represents what? One acute angle. Right. A. So then remaining two right. A, B, C. Okay. A you are considering. So A is the acute angle. Right. 15 cot A. See how they have given 15 cot A is equal to 8. So keep cot A here only. So then what is this 15? Is 15 is multiplied with this cos angle. Okay. Therefore, if you keep cot A here only, where the 15 will go? 15 goes to denominator of RHS. Right? Like this. 5x is equal to 15. So then what about x? X is equal to 15 by 5. So like this is also. Keep cot A here only. So then this 15 goes to denominator. So then, what is the cot ratio? Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. See, cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Reverse to tan. 1 by of tan or reverse to tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Cot is adjacent by opposite. So this is your adjacent side. This is the opposite side. So then adjacent is how much? 8. So this is how much? 15. Okay. Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So now once again we need to find AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. By doing these problems regularly, all the problems looks very simple afterwards because these are all very similar questions. Only the number will change. Out of 6 ratio, any one will come. Only you have to go with which acute angle they are asking. That's all. AC square is equal to AB is 8 square, BC is 15 square, 8 square 64, 15 square is 225. If you add up, you are going to get 9, 8, 289. What is this? AC square. So therefore, what is your AC? Root of 289. So that is equal to how much? 17. So 17 square is 289. So right here. 17. Finished. Afterwards, what we want? therefore we need to find sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. With respect to A, opposite means BC by hypotenuse AC. What is BC? 15 divided by 17. Finish. Next, secant A. I told no, cosecant is 1 by of sine. Secant is 1 by of cos. What is cos? Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. See, cos ratio I have done, adjacent by hypotenuse. Its reverse is secant. What is that? Hypotenuse by adjacent. That's why the proper ratios of these three, if you identify, so then these three is very easy. Just to take the reverse, sine reverse to cosecant, cos reverse to secant, tan reverse to cot. Like that. Here you want secant. So secant and cos are the reciprocals. Secant and cos are the reciprocals. 1 by cos is secant, 1 by secant is cos. So therefore, cos you can recall easily. What is that? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So therefore, secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is hypotenuse? That is AC divided by adjacent is AB. That is equal to 17 by 8. So like this, we need to find. Right? Come to next question, students. What they have given? Secant ratio they have given. What you need? Given. This is 1 angle measure 90 degree reference. Secant theta. Theta they have given. So just you can mention ABC. No problem. Right? Because theta they mentioned, therefore whether it may be A or C or B, whatever it may be, because they didn't mention which angle is measured 90 degree. And however, either A or B or C is the acute angle, that also they didn't give. Only they mentioned theta. So therefore, which one you want you can take, but mention the theta. Okay? Whether it may be C or D or A, no problem here. Because they didn't mention secant A, sin A, that like that they didn't mention. So therefore, so you have to go with theta. Any angle, any name you can give here, but which acute angle you are going to consider, that should be mentioned with the theta. Right? Secant they have given. What is secant ratio? Secant is nothing but, here see, cos ratio. Cos and secant are reciprocal. See, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore, secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 13. Adjacent is 12. Right? Okay, I have this much if you identify. So that's why I have written here only, and I didn't remove this. Why I kept this one as this means when you are seeing this part, you have to observe here also. Right? 2-3 times you write and learn, recall. So then this part is, you feel afterwards nothing is there. Only without reading, if you are going to copy this, 100% I will tell you, 1% also you can't learn. Right? Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent. So once again, we need to find this. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 13 square is equal to AB square plus 12 square. 169 is equal to AB square plus 144. 169 minus, just I shifted this, 144 is equal to AB square. 169 minus 144, 25 is equal to AB square. So AB is equal to root 25. I remove square, this side is always get square root. So square root of 25 is 5. So 5, the right side. So all the 3 sides measures you are having now. So now we need to write all the trigonometric ratios. All the trigonometric ratios we need to find. It's very easy. First one what? Sin theta. With respect to theta. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. AB by AC. How much AB? 5 by 12. Next, cos theta. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. See, adjacent means BC by AC. BC is 12 by 13. Next, tan. Tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. AB by BC. Opposite by adjacent. 5 by 12. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but opposite to sine. That is hypotenuse by opposite. AC by AB. Right? With respect to theta. Hypotenuse AC divided by opposite side AB. So that is 12 by 5. Secant theta already we have given no need to find. Right? So remaining is cot theta. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent. This is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. BC by AB. What is BC? 12. AB 5. So very simple part this is. Okay? Try to understand.